Make soft, fluffy Turkish flatbread at home in 5 easy steps. Did you know you can make soft, pillowy Turkish flatbread at home with just a few simple ingredients? This traditional bread is slightly chewy, golden on the outside, and perfect for wraps, sandwiches, or dipping into your favorite stews. Let's get started. Welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to make authentic Turkish flatbread in just 5 easy steps, all on the stovetop. No oven, no special tools, just a simple, delicious bread with the perfect soft texture. Many people think making homemade flatbread is complicated, but with this easy Turkish flatbread recipe, you'll never need store-bought bread again. Here's what you'll need. 1½ cups warm water, just warm enough to activate the yeast. 1½ cups warm milk, adds richness and softness. 1 tbsp dry yeast and 1 tbsp sugar, helps the dough rise beautifully. 7 cups all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon salt, the key ingredients for that fluffy texture. Step 1. Activate the yeast. In a bowl, whisk together warm water, milk, yeast, and sugar. Let it sit for 5–10 minutes until it becomes foamy. This step ensures your flatbread will be light and airy. Pro tip: if the yeast doesn't foam, the water might be too hot or too cold, or the yeast might be expired. Step 2. Make the dough. Gradually add flour and salt to the yeast mixture. Mix until a dough forms, then knead until smooth, soft, and slightly elastic. It shouldn't be sticky. Pro tip: if the dough feels dry, add a splash of warm milk to keep it soft. Step 3. Let it rise. Cover the dough and let it rest for 40 minutes. This allows it to double in size, creating that signature light, fluffy texture. Pro tip: let the dough rise in a warm, draft-free spot for the best results. Step 4. Shape and roll. Once risen, punch out the air and knead lightly. Divide into 10 equal balls, cover them, and roll each into a small, thick circle, about 1/4 inch thick. Pro tip: unlike thin flatbreads, this one needs to be a little thick to keep its soft, chewy texture. Step 5. Cook to perfection. Heat a non-stick or cast iron pan over medium heat. Place 1 rolled out dough into the pan and cook for about 1–2 minutes per side, flipping frequently. As it cooks, the flatbread will puff up slightly and develop golden brown spots. Keep flipping to ensure even cooking and a beautifully soft texture. Pro tip: if your bread isn't puffing, make sure the pan is hot enough and the dough is evenly rolled. And there you have it, the perfect, soft, warm Turkish flatbread. Thick, fluffy, and perfect for sandwiches, wraps, or enjoying with butter and honey. So there you have it, easy homemade Turkish flatbread in 5 simple steps. It's soft, slightly chewy, and incredibly delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and let me know in the comments, how will you enjoy your flatbread?